boy, girl, take your blindfolds off. Let me try this. Is anybody there? I need to get my car appraised.
Yes, I'm here. I'm at Swope Mitsubishi 253 South Dixie Boulevard. Stay on the Dixie. You're going to pass a lot of car lots on the way. Don't stop. They're not safe. Come see me. Ask for Aaron. Good luck.
It's gonna be a long journey. We gotta get our stuff together, okay? Okay. Come on.
Take off the blindfold!
Don't listen to him. Come on, let's go.
I got really sweet
Don't
deals.
listen.
Don't look at my
Keep him on, let's
trade-in.
go. Come on.
Come on,
Don't
take
listen,
off the
let's go.
blindfold!
You guys don't get out of the car for any reason. I think we're here. I'm looking for Aaron. Are you Aaron?
Yes, ma'am. What are you doing?
Oh, we've traveled so far.
Ma'am, you're safe. You can take that blindfold off now. Welcome to Swope Mitsubishi. I'm Aaron. Here at Swope Mitsubishi, we're a safe place. If you're looking for a new or used vehicle, you can go to swopemitsubishi.com, check out our inventory of over 600 new and used cars. If you need an accurate trade appraisal, go to Trade Pending on our website. And remember this, you don't have to bird box to get here. Just follow the beacon.
Aaron, are you Aaron?
Yes, ma'am. What are you doing?
Oh, we've traveled so far.
Here at Swope Mitsubishi, we're a safe place. Brain fart. Need a good trade appraisal? You can go to Trade Pending on our website and get a great, accurate appraisal for your trade. Here at Swope Mitsubishi, we're a safe place. If you're looking for a new or used car, you can check out over our